welcome to Hobbies and Craft. Welcome to my channel. And this project, I made something nice with my old foam pouch. As you can see, it's already brown. I washed it, but it's still brown, and I wanted to revamp it. So I wanted to do an ocean theme for it. Okay, so let's get into the video. Please watch to the end and see the processes. I'll tell you the mistake I made, and you see the outcome. It still came out well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking this video. So I started by adding. I already mixed my resin. Yes, I had the sand that I took from a dog hole already. So I mixed with resin, and this is the outcome. I'm filling it. I'm filling the pouch with it to form the beach sand. So I used 3 different shades of blue color. I used a deeper, a lighter, and the lightest one for this because that signifies the levels and layers of the beach color. And here, as you can see, I'm pouring them in different layers. I mixed white makeup powder with resin for the wave. I would have loved to use just ordinary pigment, white pigment, but fortunately my pigment dried up. I don't know what happened, but it just dried up all of a sudden. I've not been able to fix it or buy another one, so I just used what I had. I have a makeup powder, white makeup powder, and I just used that to get a wave. As you can see, it's waving, and I used this blow torch or whatever they call it to blow out the wave to get a wave. Okay, the mistake I made in this project was I started working with the resin while it was still very fluidy. I should have allowed waited for it to get thickened a little so that it will not overflow. So in this project, the resin flowed out a lot. So I lost the originality of what I was doing because it was still very liquid. So it flowed out and it lost the pattern I wanted for it to grow. And I still had some flowing into the tipped areas, and that I did not like, but well, I still managed my result and I still liked it all the same. So if you're doing another one, or I'm still going to do another one, a better one, it's going to be better than this and the results will be amazing, I promise. But this still came out well. The only mistake I made, I got it, so I'm going to get it right the next time. So watch to the end to see the result and let me know what you think. Is this still fine? As you can see, the sand is not even showing anymore because it has already flowed. The resin has flowed, has overflowed its banks, if I can say that. So the sand is not showing anymore. As you can see, I have so much at the bottom that has formed the shape of the mold underneath. So here's the result. I hope you like it. I still like it anyways. It still brought out its own beauty. Oh, it can be better though. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? It does not cost anything. Please like this video, share this video. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Please support this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much. See you. Bye. God bless you.